guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be fixing, or not fixing because it's already fixed. I'm going to be putting lotion into this 3-pound slime. See if I can make it stretchier and softer. But before we do that, make sure you like and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started. So I have this lotion. I'm not using my baby lotion because it's not up here and I don't feel like going downstairs. So here it is. So yeah, I'm just going to grab a little bit of it off because I do not want to ruin my whole slime. So I'm picking really small. Probably smaller than this all too. Oh. So see, it's not very stretchy. So I'm going to add a little bit of lotion to it. See what it does. I added lotion to this slime, this putty, and it made it a lot better. It used to be really hard. Even if it makes it, because this is already like this, so I feel like it will change the texture a little bit. And it definitely changed the texture for that one. So I'm going to add a little bit of lotion, small bit. Oh, you guys can't see. You gotta watch it. Nothing's coming out. Oh, there's a little bit. There's a little bit on the table. You see? I'm just gonna put that in there and I'm gonna start to knead it in. If this piece gets really good and stretchy and more fun to play with, I might add a little bit more. But you guys see, this is like the first. No. Is it working? I don't know. I probably should have tested it. Oh, I can test it right now. Grab a little piece off. Okay, so it's probably not as big. Okay, so I got this piece. I'm going to see how stretchy it is. Just stretching it kind of slow. Okay, stop. Right there. So now we're going to see how stretchy this one is. I feel like it beat it. Just a thought in my mind that it totally beat it. It is starting to rip, but that's good. Not that it's ripping, that it got better. So I'm going to put a little bit more lotion. First one on the table. Well, that was way too much, but I'm just going to put some of it in here, but I'm kind of scared to put it in there. Oh no, I fell. Okay, I put a lot, so nothing makes it really. It just feels like softness in my hand, like a bunch of like soft slime, like not a hard slime. Like this doesn't feel like this. Like it feels different, yeah, really different. Stop falling off. Keeps on falling. I feel like it got sticky or. Sometimes lotions work for a little bit and then they just get hard again. Did you guys see that? That was stretching almost out of the view. Let me see if it's more pokey. You probably can't tell with this little batch of slime, but it's something. So yeah, I think it got better. Now I'm gonna take my big boy. Okay, that's weird. No, it's not a boy. It's gonna be a girl. But I'm gonna take like not as much. I'm not gonna take the whole 3 pounds and do it. It's kind of hard to break once you think about it. You want it to be stretchy, but it's so hard to break. So that's really weird. It's my soft piece. Yes, it is. It feels so different. Soft piece in my hand. Okay, I'm going to take this piece. See, not stretchy. Ripping. And put some lotion. Just a good amount of lotion. Okay, that was probably too much. But we don't know until we knead it all in. So I'm just going to see what it does with a big piece versus a little piece. Oh gosh, it scared me so badly. Okay, I'm gonna pick that up in like 2 seconds. Oh my gosh. I just didn't know what was happening, and it scared me so badly. My thing just fell. I'll show you guys. See, that just fell out of nowhere. It feels like sitting up. I feel like it's getting better. There's definitely gonna have to be a part 2 to this. I thought this was gonna be a quick, easy thing, but I feel like if you put this lotion or any lotion, it will make your slime softer, because that's what it does. Well, this 3 pound. You guys saw how stretchy that was earlier, didn't you? Look at this. Come on, out of view, out of view, out of view, out of view. Come on, you can make it. Out of view, out of view. So it's out of view. Oh my man. But that was really good. I'm gonna make a swirl. What? Earlier I could not make a swirl. Like, is that good? Okay. So now I'm gonna, it'll probably come hot. Now I'm gonna put some lotion in this little piece because it did not combine. Okay. Then mix it all in because it made a huge mess. Not a huge mess. This is about. I've been stopping a lot of my videos at like 9 minutes, so if you guys want me to go longer, just comment down below. Oh my gosh, I can't see. What? And point it down. There we go. I guys can see a lot better. Don't mind any of the background stuff in the way. It's just there. Okay, look at my slime now. I kind of really need it in because it's kind of sticky. Oh my gosh, I haven't even look at my hands. What is that? I don't know if it's a chemical or something, but that's not supposed to happen. And you're mixing in lotion with slime. At least it didn't ever happen to me. Feels weird, really weird. I haven't looked at. It's not as stretchy. Gosh, it feels so weird. I don't like the feeling of this. I don't know if it's lotion or what is happening. Because when I used to play with this, it did not do that. Just gonna kind of like smush like that. Smush, 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 smush. 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 Smush, 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 smush. Smush, smush, smush. Oh, okay, that didn't work. So here it is, a little piece of it. It's really sticky now. It got sticky. I like sticky slime, so guess I gotta make my whole batch like this. I'll probably do a little bit of it off camera because it might take forever. But yeah, here pretty much is. It's slime, I guess. It's very weird because you guys didn't see my hands. Like, look, it's sticky. It's sticking to my hand if you can't see. Like, look. Usually, if I get another piece, that's normal. That's lotion. Yeah, it's like it's no difference. There's a difference. Like if I do it fast, it probably won't stick because it's fast. Duh. But yeah, it's definitely a difference. Definitely a difference of like textures. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do like some of it off camera and put that all back. But that's gonna be the end of this video here. So make sure you like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. So, bye guys!